Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can mute a hashtag in Twitter. So for that you have to go to your notification tab. Once you are in your notification tab, on the top right corner you can see this settings button. Tap there, and here you can see muted words. Just tap there, and on the bottom you can see this plus button. Just tap there again, and here you can add the words or username or hashtag you don't want tweet from. So let's make an example with a hashtag. Okay, let's say election. Okay, and here on the bottom you have also option for how long you don't want these tweets. So let's select it for 24 hour and click save. Okay, that's it guys. Likewise you can mute words or hashtag or username in Twitter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.